4, Jamaica has the most interesting phrases you will ever hear. Yes, yeah man. Just like Mama said, yeah man. That is one of the most popular phrases. It means I'm okay and no problem. So if anybody say you want to have a red stripe beer or some jerk chicken, you say yeah man. And of course our greeting, wagwan, mean how you doing? And then we answer back, me Irie, means me alright and me fine. Yeah man, we love we little phrase them. And when we say in the morrows, means see you soon. And sometimes it not so soon either. Jamaican phrases, yeah man, that's how we do it. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?